In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a video in CapCut PC. If you need to clean up the edges of a screen recording, remove unwanted background space, or bring more attention to a specific area of your footage, cropping is one of the quickest and most useful tools you can use. The good news is that CapCut on PC makes this very simple, and the whole process only takes a few clicks. To begin, go down to your timeline and click once on the video clip you want to resize. Make sure the correct clip is selected before moving on, because the crop tool will only affect the clip you have highlighted. This is especially helpful if your project contains multiple video segments and you only want to adjust one of them. Once your clip is selected, move your mouse up to the toolbar positioned horizontally above the timeline tracks. There, click the crop icon. It looks like two overlapping right-angle brackets. As soon as you click it, CapCut will open a dedicated cropping editor window, giving you a clearer view of the frame and the area you are about to adjust. When that editing window appears, direct your attention to the bottom left corner. You'll see a ratio drop-down menu. Make sure this is set to free. That setting is important because it allows you to shape the crop box any way you want, instead of locking you into a preset proportion. This gives you full control, which is ideal when you are trying to remove uneven edges or isolate a very specific part of the screen. Now use the bright green corner handles on the framing box and drag them inward. As you do this, you'll be trimming away the outer parts of the video and defining exactly what stays visible. Take your time here and frame the shot carefully. A tighter crop can help reduce distractions and make the viewer focus on the most important detail in your video. Once everything looks right and you've removed the extra clutter around the edges, move to the bottom right corner of the window and click the blue Confirm button. CapCut will immediately apply the crop and update the video in your project, so you can see the result right away. And that's it. With just a few quick clicks, you can clean up your footage, improve framing, and make your video look much more polished inside CapCut on PC.